today. Hey guys, it's Reaction. How are you today? So next I'm doing Seize the Day. I think it's a guy. I think it's a guy. So the first one I'm doing is Come Hug Me featuring Ad9. And yeah, let's get right on into it and press play. And then of course I'm going to do the second one after this one because, you know, why not group it together? Rage, what are you doing? Hot mess dog. I mean dog, fish. Oh, it's a really pretty island. That's pretty.
널 만나고 돌아오는 이 길은 너무 쓸쓸한데 하루 온종일 다투던 그 모습들이 너무 후회돼.
This is chill. This is a chill song.
지금 당장은 밉겠지만
Like right off the bat, he gives me like Dear, Jung Sooooooo vibes. I'm missing somebody else I'm thinking of. If you don't know Dear, look him up. He's good. He's great.
너에게 모두 맞춰갈 걸 약속해. 넌 항상 내 곁에서 지금처럼 이렇게 날 안아줘 가끔 미울 때는 더 안아줘 날 안아줘
I love the architecture. It's like these buildings be looking so gorgeous. Can get them in the middle of the street. 많이 아껴준다면 내가 대단하다면 나를 꿈꾸게 해야지 별을 보며 널 보면 나 떠날까봐 두려워져 힘들어도 놓지 않고 안아줘서 사랑해 습관처럼 내게 말한 말들. What are you guys? Sorry. It's the time of the day. Super oily. All around my eyes. It's annoying. He's giving us a lot of side profile, like a lot of his side, but as he's singing, it's interesting. I'm getting Crush vibes too. I could put this director in there. Oh wait, don't start yet. Jeez, that was like no advertisement or nothing. It just went right in there. All right, so that was really pretty. I think these types of songs are my favorite songs that are more laid back, more chill, and you can really hear the vocals and really hear the person's singing and their talent. I love songs like that, and I love this song. So next is Ocean View, and it popped up, it's right here, and it's featuring it's featuring Sleepy. That's who it is. I know him. I have Body Lotion by him featuring Jungkook. That's a good song. All right, so let's get into Seizethday's Ocean View. Let's get right on into it. Press play. Okay, I'm like, did I press it? Took a minute. Rest area. Are you going to Jeju? Is that a convertible Beetle? Because that's like my dream car right there.
너만 보고 싶어 my baby 내일 아침 해가 뜰 때까지 뛰어놀고 싶어 섹시한 두 다리 사이에서 해가 지면 더욱
Like the scenery is just hitting all the points right now. The scenery is gorgeous.
후회하지 말아줘 yeah, yeah, 너를 알고 싶어 더
A tent in the back? Who camping?
걱정하지 말고 따라와줘 baby 너를 위해 잡아뒀어 예쁜 너도 위로 보이는 skyline 집에 있기만은 갑갑하니까 길이만 있고 나와 모두 다 해줄게 babe yeah 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 we getting ocean view we getting ocean view we getting ocean view we getting ocean view
Now, okay, this is like, that's like, I'm trying to, like cooled off magma or lava. That's what it looks like anyway. Could totally be wrong. That's what it looks like. Oh, he's in here. He's in the video. Cool. Sleepy. Hey.
바다가 보이는 저 탁 트인 오션뷰 볼 시간은 없지 섹시한 널 두고 여신이란 말은 딱 바로 널 두고 하는 말일 거야 앞에서 내 덮고
He's tatted out. Jeez.
달려왔어 매일매일 떨리는 네 입술마저 baby yeah 널 알기 위한 여행 대화는 이제 몸으로 해 시계나 멈춰
Was this on 1K?
시간을 더
Because I keep doing this. Okay, no, it's not. Alright.
잡을 수가 없어 나 이제 에이.
파도 위로 보이는 skyline 집에 있기만은 갑갑하니까 길이만 있고 나와 모두 다 해줄게 babe yeah yeah yeah
Look how short he is compared to Sleepy. I think Sleepy's tall though, in general.
we getting ocean view we getting ocean view 깊은 곳에 들어가고 싶어 너의 바닷속에 빠져들어
Clear, I like the song too.
잊고 싶어 I love it yeah yeah
It's like a smooth, this is a smooth body roll song.
getting ocean view we getting ocean view we getting ocean view
Yeah, he's good. I'm gonna be looking him up. I want both of these songs. Like really simply filmed. He just really focuses a lot on scenery and in his videos, but so pretty because like I said, the architecture in Korea is absolutely gorgeous. So really, you could really just use the city to your advantage because it's just so pretty with how how like their architecture is. Like in NYC, there's landmark buildings where the architecture is gorgeous, but there's a lot of mainly like glass buildings now, and even then it's like not, for me, not as pretty as like brick or what else did they use besides brick? Like, you know what I mean? Just like the way they made buildings back then was just so much nicer. It's different now. I mean, there's that one building that they built like shaped like a pyramid though. That one's kind of cool looking. It's like an upside down pyramid. No, not upside down pyramid. It's like it's like pyramid shaped or like half of a 3D triangle. It looks interesting, and it's apartments. And I looked at, like, I went online to look at it, and I was like, yo, these apartments look mad tiny from the way they're doing it, but it's whatever. So that was Seizethedays. Come Hug Me and Ocean View, and I love both of those. Thank you so much for my English. Thank you so much for recommending them. I love them both, and I'm gonna download them both, and I'm gonna look to see if he has any more music because he's really good, and he's my type of artist. One of the type of artists I really like. Next, I'm doing Great Guys, Dang, and yeah, I'll see you guys there. Bye, guys.